Okay, everyone, today we are going to be opening some March of the Machines, shooting for another serial. If you saw one of my previous videos, I did actually open up a serialized The First Doctor. I actually ended up giving that away to a friend who is extremely into all of Doctor Who lore. I personally don't know anything about it, but I know he would enjoy it more than me, so I just decided to give it to him. So we're going to go for 12 collector boosters of March of the Machines. All right, let's start on the left. We got Furnace Host Charger, Expedition Lookout, an Island, Unseal the Necropolis, Thrashing Frontliner, Elspeth's Smite. We got Invasion of Xerix. This is the first battle I've ever opened. Ooh. A Swamp, Glistening Dawn, Zamone and Dina. Dang, I keep sticking. Cutthroat Negotiator, Inga Rune Eyes, Yargle Glutton of Urborg, the Halo foil. We got Galta and Mavrin, and Yarok the Desecrated, and a Warrior Zombie. Next pack. Maybe. I know there's a lot of double-sided cards, so I'm going to try to not show the backs. Skittering Surveyor, Scroll Shift, Attentive Sky Warden, Eyes of Gitaxias, Jungle Hollow, Phyrexian Gargantua, Lithomantic Barrage, a Plains, Bloodfeather Phoenix, Glissa Herald of Predation, Blight Titan, Rada Coalition Warlord, Dina Soul Steeper, Bloated Processor, Anafenza Kintree Spirit, and a Treasure Spirit. Got a Moment of Truth, Phyrexian Archivist, Chomping Kavu, Dreg Recycler, Enduring Bond Warden, Wicked Slumber, Nezumi Freewheeler. Turns into a Hideous Flesh Wheeler. Got a Mountain, Jin Cataxias, hell yeah. Flips to Great Synthesis. Ayara, Widow of the Realm. Mist Meadow Vanisher. Timurit, Chosen from Death. Fira, Judge of Valor. And a Teferi's Talent. Oh, sorry. Also, Goreclaw. and an Incubator Phyrexian. I really like this set because you have a bunch of different big characters. Hanger Scrounger, Tranquil Cove, Kithkin Billy Rider, a Swamp, Ichor Shade or Icor Shade, Scornblade Berserker, Invasion of Dominaria. I guess I forgot to flip the other battle. Turns into Sarah Faithkeeper. Plains, Transcendent Message, Chrome Host Seed Shark, Brimaz Blight of Reskos, Wrath Weatherlight Stalwart, Agar Freezing Flame in the Halo foil, Quintorius Lore Master, Teysa Karlov, and an Elemental Zombie. These are definitely curling. Alabaster Host Sanctifier, Tenured Oil Caster, Searing Barb, Windscarred Crag, Timberland Ancient, Scrappy Bruiser. Look at that big raccoon. He's so big. Harried Artisan into a Phyrexian Sky Flare. An Island. Kroxa and Kunaros. City on Fire. Path of the Schemer. Dina Soul Steeper. Inga Rune Eyes. Sunfall. Kahira the Orphan Guard and the Halo foil. And a Soldier Knight. Arachnoid Adaptation. Bladed Battle Fan. Vengeant Earth. Angelic Intervention. Tarkir Dune Shaper. Turning into a Burnished Dune Stomper. Phyrexian Censor. Storm the Seed Core. Mountain. Omnath, Locus of All. That's cool. Quintorius Lore Master. Oh my lord. Sandstep War Riders. Valduk, the Keeper of the Flame. Wrath Weatherlight Stalwart. Saint Traft and Rem Carolus. Zerda the Dawn Waker. And an Incubator Phyrexian. Burning Sun's Fury. Aerial Boost. Iridescent Blade Master. Knight of the New Coalition. Flitting Gorilla. Xerix Strobe Knight. Invasion of New Capenna. Flips into Holy Frazzle Cannon. Forest. Invasion of Gobakan. Flips into Light Shield Array. Archangel Elspeth. Sweet. Lochthwain Lancer. Rayav Mastersmith. Valdic Keeper of the Flame. City on Fire foil. Giganta the Wellspring. And a Warrior Vampire. Hopefully we can hit some more Praetors, because so far we only have Jin-Gitaxias. Cosmic Hunger. Inspired Charge. Forest. Rowl's Reinforcements. Stasis Field. Furnace Rains. Sunblessed Guardian transforms into Furnace Blessed Conqueror. Forest. Liliana's Talent. Deeproot Wayfinder. Firemane Commando. Zada Hedron Grinder. Quende Pride of Femerif. Progenitor Exarch. Niv Mizzet Reborn. And an Incubator Phyrexian. Got a Scoured Barrens. Deadly Derision. Island. Final Flourish. Pyretic Prankster transforms into Glistening Goremonger. Stormclaw Rager. Invasion of Belenon, which turns into Belenon War Anthem. And it Plains. Breach the Multiverse. Sweet. Vorinclex. Turning into the Grand Evolution. Begin the Invasion. Daxos Blessed by the Sun. Zada Hedron Grinder in the Halo foil. Hidetsugu and Kari. I don't know how to say that. SRAM Senior Edificer. And an Incubator Phyrexian again. All right. Got 3 left. Let's see what else we can hit. Okay, I'm going to go let my dog out real quick. She apparently needs to go potty. Go. Come on. Thanks for watching the cards. Got a cut short. Corrupted Conviction. Thornwood Falls. Rotting Dreadship. Tidal Terror. Gift of Completion. Invasion of Amonkhet, which turns into Lazotep Convert. A swamp. Realmbreaker, the Invasion Tree. Zephyr Singer. Path of the Pyromancer. Tetsuko Umizawa, Fugitive. Agar, the Freezing Flame. We got a foil Elesh Norn. Turns into the Argent Etchings. Hygum Ojutai Master. Tammy, shh. I'm trying to open cards on video. Got 2 more packs. Need to hit a Bruvac. Look at the Bruvac. Oh, Lord. All right. Come on. Inside. Go. Phil. Please. Man, my dogs do not like this. Disturbing Conversion. Converter Beast. Serpent Blade Assailant. Sigilled Sentinel. Oculus Whelp. Zalfirin Lancer. Sandstalker Moloch. Moloch? An island. Invasion of Fiora, which turns into Marchesa Resolute Monarch. Omnath, Locus of All. Oh no. Ichor Elixir. Emoti, Celebrant of Bounty. These are really cool. Oh my goodness. Yargle, Glutton of Urborg. Dusk Legion Duelist. Anafenza, Kintree Spirit. And First Mate Ragavan token. Alright, last pack Magic. Fingers crossed. Etched Host Doombringer. War Trained Slasher. Furtive Analyst. Core Halberd. Pyretic Prankster, which again turns into Glistening Goremonger. Artistic Refusal. Captive Weird, which turns into a Completed Conjurer. A Swamp. Hidetsugu and Kari. I don't know how to say that. Bloodfeather Phoenix. Path of the Animist. Fira, Judge of Valor. Wrath, Weatherlight Stalwart in the Halo foil. Brimaz, Blight of Oreskos. And Yorion, Sky Nomad. It's not the worst, but yeah, I got some pretty cool cards. Well, hopefully you guys stick around for another video, and I appreciate you watching.